first we want to identify our impulse. As you guys can clearly see, this is going to be our impulse. The rule to the impulse, it should all be one color. You can clearly see this impulse right here is all red candles, followed by a retracement, and the retracement also needs to be all one color. You can see our retracement has only green candles. Now we have a valid impulse and a valid retracement. We go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, we want to identify our support or resistance that is going to be of influence to our trade. So if I look to my left, you can clearly see this level right here was previously support, support once again, followed by another support, another support. Now price has broken this level, is retesting it, and is possible using it as momentum to carry it back to the downside. On the daily, we want to draw our fib from the end of the retracement to the beginning. This is because we expect the new impulse to come at least to the negative 27 before it has its retracement. On the 4 hour, we will be waiting for a break of this 61 level, followed by a retest and a continuation to our take profit. So right now, we are just waiting until price breaks the 61 level and close beneath. As you can see, price still has not broken, And right here, we have a clear break and close below the 61. That means we can now place our order on the 61, take profit always on the negative 27, and our stop loss on the 88. But if I look to my left, you can clearly see we have a structure high right here. So if we want to be protected by this structure high, that means we need to adjust our stop loss to above this structure. So if price has a deeper retracement farther than the 88, we are still protected by this structure high right here. So in this case, I will adjust my stop loss right here. Because we need to create a 1 to 3 risk to reward, I will also need to adjust my entry to get a perfect 1 to 3. Right now, I'm waiting until I get tapped into the trade. And as you can see, we have now entered this trade. As soon as price breaks and close below this 38 level, we can now move our stop loss to break even to create a risk-free trade. Now we are just waiting until our take profit gets hit. And as you can see, our take profit has now been hit. So this was the 1 to 3 breakdown on NCD CAT. Appreciate y'all for staying with me, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.